Do you want to learn how to find the next 100x meme coins? Right now, meme coins are going absolutely crazy. This is just a coin from today, up hundreds, thousands of percent. I'm going to be showing you in today's video exactly how you can use Dexscreener to find the next 100x cryptocurrency meme coin in this current massive bull market. Make sure that you smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell. The absolute first thing that we do is come over here to Dexscreener. You can see dexscreener.com. We then want to click on Solana. Solana is the #1 blockchain for meme coins, as many of you would already know. So we use Solana blockchain for looking at all the different coins. The next thing we want to focus on, make sure that we've selected the last 24 hours here and also 24 hours on this trending bar. So we see all of the last coins in the next 24 hours. The next thing that I do right here, as you can see, all of these different coins, I want to be actually trending from the last 24 hours. Click it once and you'll get all the coins. So this coin right here in the last 24 hours is up 450,000%, and it goes all the way down 1,000%, 200%, 50%. So what I actually do is I open up now each and every single coin from this top all the way to about a 50% gain at this bottom mark. Here you can see this coin up 50%, then this one up 35%. That would see in here number 31. So I'll be opening up 31 different coins right now to actually analyze. So Dexscreener gives us the fantastic tool to really quickly and really easily find the latest trending coins in the last 24 hours, the latest coins in the market. These are the coins that hopefully have a big trend to the upside and have some technical analysis that we can take advantage of. So now I'm going to go ahead and open each and every single one of these coins. Let's go ahead together and actually find the next potential 100x cryptocurrency meme coin. So I've now gone ahead and opened up all of the different coins. This is the first coin here, up hundreds, thousands of percent, 450,000%. What I'm really looking for is a support to resistance flip type strategy. What a support to resistance flip is initially price maybe coming up to this level like this, an initial resistance, resistance, and resistance. Then what happens is we get a major breakthrough to the upside, and what we do expect is this now level to come back. Initially was a resistance. It will now act as a support level. This is the perfect buying opportunity, and we look for a continued trend to the upside. The reason I like this so much is because we're actually buying when price is continuously making new all-time highs. We then come back to a support level, so we're buying low, and then we look for continued higher prices. So we look for these support to resistance level flips. I would say for this coin right here, the last support to resistance level flip is really in this zone, because we came up and then we rejected, we came up again, we rejected, then we came up here and even had a small rejection, but then we did get the breakthrough. You can tell that there was a bit of a rejection on this candle here because of how the wick is actually structured. So we would say this level right here would be an interesting level for me to actually get into the market using a support to resistance flip strategy. As I explained, you can see it nearly actually came to fruition, where if price actually came right down to here, that would have been the perfect entry, looking for continued upside momentum. Again, I like this strategy because we're just continuously making higher prices and staircasing up and to the right. That's why I like this strategy, because we're buying coins that are continuously trending rather than trending coins that are actually down and to the right. You don't want to be catching bottoms. I want to be trading with the trend and finding coins that are continuously moving up. So this actually could be a potential trade right here. Right now we're not in the zone, but what could happen is we have a bounce down, a come up, and then we have another rejection down. I'd wait for that. That would be the price and time for me to enter. So we'll save this coin and actually come back to it a little bit later on in today's video, because there might be some potential here. Then we move over to the next coin. See on the 1 minute chart, not really fantastic right here. Also, with the first coin, you do also want to be focusing on market cap. Market cap is a major thing we do want to focus on. So we'd actually go back, and we can even see right here that we do have even a $450 million market cap. So is this even a coin that you'd want to be interested in getting into? It's already got a $450 million market cap. To get a double in price, we would need to move, if we were to buy low at this 400 million, we'd need it to move to 800 million. So again, potentially not a coin I'm interested in. I'd rather buy a coin at a $500,000 market cap, moving to the $1 million market cap. that would be a double in price. So we'll click over to market cap to see if this actually has anything. This is already at $100 million market cap. Come over to the 1 minute chart. Do have some type of support to resistance flip if we were to come down into this level right here, but again, not something that I'm super interested in. We'll move over to the next coin because I'm sure we'll be able to find a coin that fits my strategy better. See, we can see even this coin is not going to be something I'm super interested in. Reason being is the overall trend now is down and to the right, which would mean I'm trying to actually catch a knife at this bottom and actually expect higher prices. But when you look to the left, the overall trend is not telling us that we can expect major high prices. So we continue on to the next coin. We just keep moving on, keep moving on. These are some type of support to resistance strategies. Right in this level, there's clearly a support every time we touch. But again, doesn't fit my exact strategy. Rather than trying to buy low, sell back in these levels, I want to be seeing continuous higher highs. It looks like this coin is just going to die off. And what will actually happen is we make a high, make a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and literally just slowly dies off like this. So I'd rather be seeing coins that are continuously making new all-time highs. Like this coin right here, you can already see, I can see a support to resistance flip right in this zone right here. The reason I say that is we came up to here and we resisted. We came up to here, resisted, and even in this zone resisted. This would be a zone that I'm looking to buy into once you get the breakout above, which actually looks like we could actually get into this coin here and then look for that upside momentum. Come over and look at the market cap level. Make sure we can see in market cap. So we're at 4 million. We'd probably look for around that 5, 7.5, and 10 million are the next sort of zones. So this would be a potential trade right here. I want to go through all the coins and actually show you, and then we can come back and actually see, okay, was this one any interest? So right here was, because we got the breakout, came back and retested, would be actually be a good entry. So let's say we got the entry in here, come back to it and see a little bit later on in today's video. Come back to the 15-minute here. You can see we got a support to resistance flip, but we're a little bit too late. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Got the break through this level. Then what happened? Got the support and continued up. Even if you look, you try to get in near this support zone at this current price, already up 70%. You can see why these support to resistance level flips work so well. That's the one strategy that I really focus on, especially meme coins, because although I have so many different trading strategies that I do teach in my meme coin mastery and also my advanced technical analysis masterclass, you'll find those in the video description. I go over everything about trading really in depth, and you actually learn a lot. So this is a coin we're a little bit too late to. Obviously can't get up in the middle of the night to be trading every single coin. So we just move on and look at the next coin. Look at the 15-minute, really want to be scrolling out. One thing is here, if you don't scroll out far enough, you might be seeing, oh, it could be a support to resistance flip. You want to be scrolling out and seeing, okay, no, definitely not this type of coin to be trading. Moving on again, no, not a support to resistance flip. Definitely not a coin I want to be trading here. Okay, here we definitely have a support to resistance flip. Initially, a resistance, and you can tell, wick. So it took a while to actually break out of this level, but then what happened? We got the breakout. We then came back and supported. Now looks like a perfect level. So we're going to save this coin and we'll definitely come back to it. You can see these type of coins are the ones that I'm looking at. Come over to market cap, make it even more interesting to see what the market cap is. Yeah, it's coming back to that $2 million market cap. Potentially would look to sell out at the $5 million market cap, basically making over 150% on the trade. Next, moving on to the next coin, we can even see this type of one. This would be a potential zone where I'd look for the breakout. So we get the breakout above this zone and come back to retest. Again, could be a coin that I'd want to be trading later on today. So definitely one that I'd save and look at because it does have the two touches. I really like two touch, resistance, then get the breakthrough, rather than say if we just had this one and come back to retest, don't like it as much. Move on to the next coin, not as interesting. This one sort of does actually have a support to resistance flip. In this zone actually would be a support to resistance flip. The one thing that I don't like is we've already bounced, looking to bounce again. So the more bounces we do have, a little bit less probability that we are going to bounce to the upside. But again, this is a support to resistance flip. So let's just keep this in, come back and have a look a little bit later on in the video. This type of coin, I really hate when it just trends up all the way like this. Sort of potentially means it could be a scam coin. So don't even want to look at it. Move on to this next one. Continuously making new all-time highs, new all-time highs. You even see here where it just made all-time high, came back, got the breakthrough. Where was the support? initially resistance, then came back, supported, got the breakthrough. You can see why these support to resistance level flips so fantastic. We use Dexscreener to really find these next 100x meme coins. Again, this would potentially be a coin that we could save, but we're potentially a little bit too late. We'll just save it to look at it a little bit later on in the video. Not this coin, not interested. Moving on to the next coin, and we have a look. Definitely a support to resistance type flip. Resistance, resistance, we've got the breakthrough. This type of level would be where I want to get support. So we could look for an entry right in here. But what I want to do is just open as many coins as I have, and then come back and go through each and every one and say, okay, is this one any good? Is this one any good? Is this one any good? So that's the best way that I find to do it. Then I pick my favorite coin, what I perceive to be the highest probability coin overall. Not a coin I want to be trading. Keep moving through. We can do this really quickly. You can see I can go through so many coins. Okay, this would be the type of coin that I really, really like. You can see we've got 1, 2, 3. What I want is the breakthrough, then come back, retest, and that would be my entry. So definitely would be a coin I'm actually saving. Hopefully we don't scroll out and see, yes, perfect. So even here, you can see support to resistance flip, resistance, 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 resistance. And what actually happened right here? We got the break up in this level. Let's move to the 1 hour so we can see it even better. Look what happened. We got the break up in this level. Scroll out a little bit. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this resistance level right here. We got the breakout. Oh, I just love these support to resistance level flips. Massive breakout right here. We come back to support, get a major another push to the upside. Look, if you bought at that level, you're already up 80% in the market. These types of trades are fantastic. I was actually looking at Bubba the other day saying that you would have seen in one of the last videos we're up in this level. I was saying that when we got the breakthrough, so I've been watching these coins, absolutely love it. Although we're a little bit too late, it's unfortunate. We can keep moving on to the next trade. We just know that the strategy works. And all we do is we wake up every day and do this 4, 5, even 10 times a day, because the potential really is there. Keep moving through a lot of these coins. Not a support to resistance flip that I like. Move to the 4 hour. Just make sure we scroll out. We are making new all-time highs. And this one's a little bit hard. We are making new all-time highs. The last support to resistance flip level would actually be down into this type of level here. So we could wait for it to come back. Would be something that I'd save if it came back there. Would be worth a trade. Just take a small trade on it and be able to have a look. Yep, definitely not a coin I'm interested in. Move on to the next one. Move on to the next one. Okay, we do have type of support to resistance flip. Actually, we're a little bit late here because this zone right here would have been the support to resistance flip. Initially resistance, resistance, resistance. You can see buying down here instantly within a few minutes. You bought down here. Within there, actually, within 3 hours, you're up 160%. So we're probably a little bit too late to the trade. Like I said, I really want to be buying on this first bounce, because every time we get multiple bounces, you'll see this bounce will be smaller, then the next bounce will be smaller and smaller and smaller. And we don't expect all the time that we're going to get a breakout above this level. So we just want to be trading the first bounce. Keep moving through. Even here, we're actually at a support to resistance flip. Resistance, resistance. Now we're at this support level. This would be one that I'm actually interested in. When I'm trading, I do use BonkBot, so make sure to check that out in the video description. You can actually sign up and get 30% off trading fees. I find BonkBot absolutely fantastic for trading. I've already got a trading tutorial out there, but I will be making a new one, how to actually use BonkBot right here. So this would be a coin that I'm actually interested in. We'll keep that and have a look at the next one. Not interested in this coin. Keep moving through. So you can see we've opened up about 31 different coins, I believe it was, and we found a decent amount of ones that actually fit the trading strategy. So we can start from start to finish back here. We're talking about this level, but don't expect it. We also are at a $500 million market cap. We do talk about this level in here, where we do have a bit of the support to resistance level flip. You can see we are up already 10%, nearly 20% from that initial level. In here again, see up 26%. Right here, we can see moving Trump. Definitely a zone that I would be interested in getting into. This one, again, would be more of a setup. So we can say we can cut that out and more look at that later on. Here, we do have the support to resistance flip. We are getting a bit of a breakdown. So we wouldn't really, if we did want to take this trade, we'd need to come down to a smaller time frame and actually determine where would our stop loss actually be. Where would our risk need to be? Would our risk need to be down in this level? That would be more than a 50% risk. Seems like too heavy. So again, before you even take the trade, you need to be understanding where's your risk going to be. because you need to understand that you can only risk maximum of 3%, 5% of your total trading portfolio. You can't risk 100%, because if you do, overall you have a very high risk of ruin potential. And you see this one right here, bam, massive decline. Again, didn't really have the support to resistance level flip until this level. Moving on to the next coin, you see a lot of coins definitely in the setup zone right now, in the perfect support to resistance level flip setup zone. So what we could do is split our trade across multiple different trades and actually just take a small percentage on all of these different coins. Talking about this level right here. So we're already now moving a little bit to the downside. Let's move on the 5-minute chart and see it a little bit better. Move that down and right there. And we can keep watching all of these coins, and that's how I would take these trades. Now I have a basket of all these coins, and I'd say, which one actually has the best probability? If I actually go through and choosing one, I really do like this coin right here. So S-Boy would definitely be one of my favorites. Then Trump would also be a coin that I'm really interested in. I really like this, especially with the overall narrative behind the coin. And with this one right here, with not super as interested, especially when I went to actually have a look how much risk I need on this trade. Not as interested. This one, definitely an interesting trade. I actually would be interested in this one, Jiggy. Actually would be okay. This one hasn't really hit the zone, more in the setup zone. And this one, again, not too bad, but not absolutely fantastic, especially with how much we've moved down. Let's actually check that percentage and see 80% movement. It could be okay, but if I had to choose my favorite, it would really probably be S-Boy right here and Trump. So I'd take a trade maybe and either choose my favorite between the two, or even just take 50% between these two trades. Again, I'm always using BonkBot. Makes it really simple. All you have to do is click on home, you click on buy, you paste the contract address in, and you can just click these buttons. I can sell 25%, sell 100%. When I buy, I can buy 0.5, buy 0.1. I actually already have it set to buying 1 sol, buying 2 sol. So I literally just paste the address in, click buying sol, simple as that. You just come over here, copy the address in. Again, check out the link in the video description. And don't forget to check out my trading courses, Memecoin Mastery, Advanced Technical Analysis Masterclass here. You can actually directly through the website watch the course. I have amazing value from start to finish, step by step, exactly how you can trade meme coins exactly like me each and every single day. You don't even have to go anywhere. You can watch all the videos directly through my website. So there we go, an absolutely fantastic way to trade. I've found so many opportunities right here in this cryptocurrency bull market. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell to stay up to date with all of the latest YouTube videos, and I'll see you in the next video.